Let us introduce our team, Robokind. We are Nino, Darel, and Kavi from SD Muhammadiyah 4, Surabaya, Indonesia. Nino and Kavi are programmers, and I focus on AI strategy. We won championship in national and international competition such as WIRC, Indonesia Inventors Day, and the National Robotic Competition in Singapore. These experiences make us stronger and ready for RCAP CoSpace Autonomous Driving Challenge.
Our league is RCAP Autonomous Driving Challenge Under 12. Our task was the Secret Garden map. We used the strategies of fast and smooth line tracking and efficient turning. As a result, we finished 22.467 seconds. Our conclusion: fast and smooth line tracking and efficient turnings are the key to getting the best score. Our robot follows this path with max speed 100. At the first ping marker, it turns left in a circle to save time. We use ultrasonic sensor to detect the wall and then turn. When it finds a yellow marker, the robot takes a shortcut by turning left to make the route shorter. We use state change techniques to let the robot do different actions for the first and second ping marker. And its state changes when it detects a color marker before the second ping. Our robot achieved its best time, 22.467 seconds. Our main challenge was that the sample code was too slow, especially when turning. To solve this, we created a new way to turn, using a circular motion instead of a sharp turn. This made the movement faster and smoother. As a result, our robot finished with a better time of 22.467 seconds.
To make an efficient turn, we changed the way our robot moves. Instead of stopping and turning sharply, our robot turns in a circle. This video shows how our robot makes an efficient turn. This makes the path shorter and keeps the speed smooth. In the real world, there are self-driving cars like Tesla and Waymo. They use sensors and AI to see the road, avoid obstacles, and make decisions. This is similar to what we do in CoSpace. We learn how to follow lines, avoid objects, and save time in turning. The knowledge we gain here can help make real autonomous cars safer and smarter. Watch how self-driving cars work. They move and make decisions just like in real life. We use ChatGPT. We choose it because it is easy to use. ChatGPT helps us translate from Indonesian to English and also help us understand the rules. Sometimes the answers were too long, but we learned to ask shorter questions. This made our learning easier and also helped our team prepare better together. Our message for other CoSpace learners: always practice step by step, because small progress will lead us to big success. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. Teamwork is very important, so share ideas and help each other. Be creative, try new strategies, and test them. And most of all, never give up. Every challenge will make you stronger. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Robokind, juara!